What's going on, everyone? You're watching Emeroy TV, the place to be, to move, groove, and grow. And today is Biz Tuesday. Hand randomly showing off my screen and throwing me off. So that means, if it's your first time on my channel, every Tuesday I share with you guys social media marketing tips that we implement, my company Vision Paradox, that we implement with our clients, so that way, and I share it with you guys so you can implement it to your own social media marketing strategy for your personal brand, your small business, or even tech startup. So let's get on with it. With all the stuff that Facebook's been going through lately, it's still #1 in the world with 2 billion active users over Instagram's 700 million, and it's still growing. Check this out. Hopefully you can see it. Let it focus real quick. About $2,000, a little over $2,000 in conversions, and 300 on our retargeting campaign. So if you're on this, that means you're interested and you really want to start advertising on this platform. But if you just started, you want to make sure you get on the right foot before you start advertising. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to jumpstart your Facebook page. When it comes to jumpstarting your Facebook, it's more about the value you give than the likes you get, because likes on Facebook don't exactly pay the bills. They're not as important as Instagram followers or YouTube subscribers. Those are vanity metrics that are important for influencers, that so they can do brand deals or sponsored deals or things like that. With Facebook, it's a little different. So if you're just starting off your Facebook page, ground zero, starting up, make sure your Facebook page is obviously set up and optimized. Optimized meaning having a bio, links to everything, using the keywords if you've done your SEO research already. And then the next thing is making sure you share the 5 to 10 really good pieces of content. And I'm not talking about it has to be perfect and you spend a month on it. It has to be good enough for where you feel good about it, and you share to 3, 4, 5 other friends and they think it's a dope piece of content, and then you share it. I'm big on sharing a lot of content fast, and I'm also big, me being an artist as well, I want to make sure what I share is good. The thing with some artists is that they get so caught up with it has to be perfect, but that they never get it done. It's finding that good enough is sometimes enough to get the job done. That's what the first 2 steps in the beginning strategy. Make sure your Facebook is set up and optimized. Share your 5 to 10 best pieces of content. Because when people hop on there, you want to make sure that there's content there's some engagement going. Speaking of engagement, let's get to how to get your first likes. I'm going to share with you guys 4 methods. The first 3 are free and organic, and the last one is paid. The first one, very obvious, is invite your friends on your current Facebook profile to like it. There's going to be an option on there where you can just click invite friends, invite all of them. Not all of them are obviously gonna like it, but it does give you the momentum to start building that likes, to start helping build your social proof. Next is join groups and communities or Facebook groups and share your best content. Don't just go on the group and upload it as a post. Grab the link, there's that share button you see, you share to a group instead of your timeline or your friend. You go to the option where it says share to group, and then find the group that you're currently in, share it that way. That way the interactions and engagements that you get from groups goes directly to your page. And obviously if the people on that group like your content, they're gonna like your page. In addition to groups, make sure that you are actually engaging with other people in the group. Don't be just that guy that promotes and never contributes anything else to the group, because then that could lead you to being kicked out of the group, and it's just straight up douchey. So the next one is cross promote your platform. So if you're on Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, make sure that you don't just add the links in your profile, but you make an effort to make sure it's seen. Find little ways to cross promote your other platforms without being too invasive. On your YouTube, make sure occasionally on a lower third or something, show your Facebook handle, or at the end. Or you can just straight up say, hey, follow me on Facebook on your video, or on Instagram. There's more than one way to just get the like or follower, either indirectly or directly. Up to you. I like indirectly. Follow me on Facebook. Direct. The next one is paid promotions. So this is very, very different from the boost button. Please don't use the boost button. As far as I know right now, it's not the most effective way of getting your first likes or engagement. It'll probably help you with getting the likes and all the vanity metrics and make you feel good about that, but it's probably not going to give you the results you want. And there's a better way going about it using paid post engagement ads. It's the same thing as the boosting, but you have more control and it's a lot more targeted. And it's just like the boost button on steroids. All right, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys got any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below. If you guys got friends and family who you think might benefit from this, make sure you share with them. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, so you guys are getting notifications of when new content is coming out. So appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching today, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.